Hi, I'm Rick Garcia at Ziems Ford Corners today. Today I got a 2000 Ford Excursion. Let me show you a little bit about the vehicle. This Excursion is going to have a 7.3 liter I-hooks towing package. It's going to have 16-inch wheels, running boards. Let me show you a little bit about the vehicle. Power windows, power locks, CD and cassette player. This vehicle is going to be equipped with a DVD player, and also this is going to have a towing package on this Excursion. So for more information on this 2000 Ford Excursion, you can get hold of me, Rick Garcia at ziemsford.com or 505-325-1961.